dudes!
Welcome to vegan footlong sub with vegan lunch meat.
Okay, this is a great one. Often when people get plant-based meats, it's full of processed foods, ultra-processed foods. Today we're going to show you how to make vegan lunch meat that is based around real food. It's simple. This is a footlong.
Woo! Okay, and this is going to be a footlong in honor of our favorite shoes, Vivo Barefoot. This is what we've been wearing for the last 10 years. They're the most amazing shoes. Studies have shown that they improve your foot strength by up to 60%. We are not going to put this in the sandwich, but we love these shoes.
Do you want to measure it? Just pop it there.
Yes.
So if anyone does want to sign up,
we're ambassadors for them because we believe in them so much. They've all we've worn for 10 years. Great for foot strength, great for widening your foot, connecting with nature.
So there is a discount code below, just check it out. So take our footlong, this is sourdough baguette that we make here in our bakery here in the Happy Pear. I'm going to prepare this. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that.
So that's our footlong sub.
Jeez, this is a big
size 47 shoe.
Jeez, a footlong sub is a lot of it.
That's a lot of sandwich. That's going to do two of us, I think.
Okay, right, so how to make our lunch meat. We have a 200 gram block of tofu, and my beautiful twin here is just going to use a
potato peeler.
Just to peel it in.
And the benefit of this lunch meat is that it is high in protein, it's got no preservatives or additives, and it's really healthy and wholesome.
So in on top of that, I've a good heaped tablespoon of white miso in that goes.
So Stephen, could I use any miso?
If you use a darker miso, it's going to turn the lunch meat a darker color.
And we want this to be more like a turkey slice or a chicken slice. So
I'm going to go with half a tablespoon of ground or Dijon mustard. I'm going to go with 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Yep, we're going to go with black pepper, some salt and water. So we have our tofu slices in, we've got our miso, we've got all our bits. We're gonna bring that to the boil, and a kind of gentle boil because we don't want the tofu to lose its shape. While that's happening, we're gonna get the rest of our ingredients ready. Okay, we have some tomato from our farm. You don't need a farm to make
this recipe. Do I need a farm?
No.
Ha ha ha, that's hilarious.
Cucumber.
Do you remember that from the BFG, there was the old snozzcumbers?
Oh yeah, love that. Okay, time to start to build this up. Oh, look at that, it's a colossus of a sandwich. Okay, so we have our own vegan mayo, very easy to make, equal part.
We will put a link down below to the vegan mayo recipe if you want to learn how to make it. It's very simple and easy.
Yeah.
You will learn how to make this in our recipe club if you're interested, where we've got more than 700 recipes.
Generous with the mayo, I think.
Yeah, mayo's great. Particularly with this much bread, the sauce is so important because you do want it to be juicy rather than dry and kind of chewy and suck all the moisture out of you. That's a technical term.
Okay, we're gonna go on the base. We're gonna go tomato. Okay, so I have some sauerkraut. Obviously, if you're not into sauerkraut, you don't have it, leave it out, but I think it's really important.
Pickles are great, and this is fermented, so it's really, really good. It's got that added profile, the touch of acidity.
Next up, we have some of this legendary Happy Pear spicy red pepper pesto. This is one of
Who makes that?
We do.
The Happy Pear, we do.
Yeah,
wow,
really
cool.
do.
We the Happy Pear.
Yeah,
wow,
we the Happy
brilliant.
Pear. This is one of my all-time favorite ones. Yeah, yeah.
That's our own experience. That wasn't any survey or anything.
Generous with it. Oh, this is a serious sandwich.
There's nothing. Beautiful. Okay, so we boiled that for probably 5 to 10 minutes. Just gently simmered it away. So none of it's actually broken down.
Yeah, that's why we don't overdo it. So I'm just using a slotted spoon into a bowl. Gonna take out our white lunch meat. Important part here is just to season it to taste. So often kind of these type of processed meats have a high sodium or salt content. So just take it out, obviously strain it from the brine or the liquid, which you can keep for, a nice basis
stock.
Or else a nice basis of a, what do you call it?
Noodle dish or a soup or whatever.
Yeah, kind of a miso soup, that type of thing. But season it just to taste through salt and black pepper. So I'm just going to try it here, just taste it. So you see it does hold its shape nicely. I think the flavour, it needs a nice bit more salt and a bit of black pepper.
Lovely, great flavour.
I know. Okay, so we're gonna go in with a little bit of lettuce on the top. We're using a Chinese leaf here, which is quite like a butterhead. And to finish it off, we're gonna go in with loads of this lunch meat. And as I said, really important part is to season it to taste.
And you do want to kind of fold it over the way it is, the way it kind of naturally folds over like that, where you feel like you're being really generous with these tofu turkey slices. Ladies and gentlemen, our hoagie is ready to go, our footlong sub. That is a serious sub, look at that. So there we go, look, it's a footlong, it's official. It is a barefoot sub, folks, a Vivo Barefoot sub.
Okay, here we are. Here's our.
Now I want to see you eat that. Here's the big deal here now.
Okay, the bear. I'm gonna cut it.
Oh, you're gonna cut it in half.
Well, you want to try eating as a whole? Okay,
Let's
here we
see,
go,
let's
okay,
see.
here.
I want to see you wrap your mouth around that thing. Oh my God, look at that.
Wow.
We could double jab it. Are we going to double jab it?
No.
No?
No, you're going.
Why not?
I just think that's weird. Oh, wow, here we go, man.
Oh my God, yum. And as I said, this is a Vivo Barefoot Footlong sub. Vivo Barefoot are the only shoes we've worn for 9 years. They are sponsoring this video. We adore them. We sought them out. We are ambassadors for them. And by wearing them, your foot will improve. The strength of your foot will improve by up to 60% in less than 6 months. That's what studies from University of Liverpool showed.
It can be even quicker than that. Yeah, there's a code down below, discount code HappyPear20 to get 20% off. There's also a link down below.
And yeah, thanks Mel for watching. We really appreciate it. Our message is to try to inspire you to eat more veg, to eat more whole foods. The world needs more of that, so thank you for doing what you're doing. And if you do make this, please tag us on social media. Thanks a million. Cheers, and thanks to Vivo.